We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together, put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand.
Oh, hello there, my lovely stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So in today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about being authentically you, knowing exactly who you are. I feel like I need to emphasize how important it is to know exactly who you are. And by knowing who you are, I don't just mean knowing your name, knowing where you come from, and just all those basic details. I mean, do you really know who you are? Do you know what career path you want to follow? Do you know what your weaknesses are, what your strengths are? Do you know everything about you? Or are you so easily swayed by the opinions of the people around you? Are you easily swayed by what society is doing? And are you just kind of following the trend and just, going with the flow type of thing? Do you really know who you are? Do you know where you want to be? Do you know what you want to do? Do you know your purpose? It's very important as a young person to figure that out. You need to know who you are, because people are going to talk about you. People are going to say so many things about you. Not everyone's going to like you. That's not how the world works. Not everybody's going to like you. There are going to be people who are going to say really nasty things. They might not say it to your face, but there are going to be people who are going to talk about you. And they're going to want to say, they're just going to call you out of character. They're going to say things about you. But when you know exactly who you are, and you know exactly what you're about, those people's opinions won't even, they won't even bother you. You won't be fazed by them. Why? Because you know that whatever it is they're saying is probably not true. It's super important that you have a strong sense of who you are as an individual. Not who you are based off of where you come from, not based off of, just your family or whatever. No. I mean actually knowing, who is Mumsie? Who am I? Who are you? It's very important that you are able to confidently look people in the eye and be like, hey, I'm Mumsie and this is me. This is who I am. I know exactly who I am. I like this. I don't like this. And it's okay. It's okay to be different. We are meant to be different. We're meant to shine. It's okay to be different. It's okay to have, that so-called flaw. Why? Because it makes you special. It makes you unique. Okay? You don't have to conform to society's ways. You don't have to. You don't have to follow trends. You don't have to like what everybody else is liking. You don't have to be into the same kind of fashion sense as everyone else. You don't have to like all kinds of music. You don't. You just have to be yourself. You just have to be you. You just have to be authentic. Know your weaknesses. Know your strengths. Know what you like, what you don't like. And if at all you are around people who don't seem to like what you like, it's okay. Why? Because they too are allowed to be who they want to be. They too are allowed to be, like whatever it is that they like. And they don't have to like everything that you like. But what's important is that you stick to who you are. Hold on to that. Hold on to your identity. Know who you are. Once you know exactly who you are, you become a more confident person. You are not fazed by what other people think about you. You're not fazed by what other people might say about you, or it just doesn't faze you. That's why it's important to know who you are. Don't allow people to make you believe that you're something you're not. If you know exactly, if you know that you're not that, own it. And look that person in the eye and say, hey, that's not me. That's not me. They might just all laugh. They might just be like, yeah, right, blah, 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 blah. They might gang up on you and all that. If you know the truth, if you know yourself, just let them talk. They'll get bored eventually. They will get bored eventually. but never ever lose yourself trying to conform to what other people or the rest of society seems to think you should be. Don't try to conform. Be you. Let your light shine. Know who you are. You are special. You are unique. You are different. You are you. And that's the best thing you could possibly be. I'm going to end this video here. I hope you did enjoy it. I hope you did understand and take this with an open heart. If you are at the same stage as I am, you know, where you're still trying to figure out exactly who you are, have fun with it. Explore what it is that you want. Just, you know, explore yourself and just be happy in the process. Smile. It's okay. It's never that serious. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video with whoever you feel might be encouraged by it. Give it a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it. Comment below and let me know what your take on this topic is. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. And join this amazing Stallion Nation. And if you are in Botswana, I have new merchandise. I recently launched my brand Stallion Creations, which is what StallionBlogs is under. And so if you want a t-shirt, we have some merchandise for both men and women. So if you would like a t-shirt and you're in Botswana, hit me up via email or on my social media. All the links are in the description box below, and I will definitely be sure to get it to you. Thank you so much for your support. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.